Well, for today, all I have is the best block setup for your cameras. Yes. I have a Insta 360 cam. I was using a GoPro Hero 9 before, and I was not that impressed with the performance of the GoPro Hero 9 cam. So I thought, why would I not give a gem to Insta 360? And I have a Insta 360 X3, which I bought say 2 months ago. Yeah, and I have a KYT helmet on which I have this tiny little blue armor mount. So this suits all types of helmet contours, and you can just give it a try instead of going for multiple mounts. I think this simple mount will help you mount any kind of cam, be it your GoPro Hero 9 or say any series of GoPro, and also your Insta 360. And there's my little Insta 360. I have a lens cap card one dot. So this little thing here is the camera keys which I use to mount my cam. I have an angle mount here and a screw setup for that. And for the audio part of my blog, I have a Bolt earpods. This little thing works very well. So benefit of my Insta 360 X3 is it doesn't require any additional mic adapters or any other different kind of mounts. Since this is Bluetooth compatible, I use this Bolt audio earpods from Bolt. So this has a very good noise suppression feature. So it keeps my words crystal clear on the video blogs which I do. So then coming back to this, I have posted the links where you can buy this your mounts and stuff here, and also the cage Insta 360 X3 cam, and also and I think you can see the angle mount here, and this angle is pretty much good here. This setup gives you better picture clarity, and also you have a better view. Now when you compare that to a GoPro Hero series, this Insta 360 comes with a fisheye lens, and the visibility is really good. It can shoot up to 5.3K, and you don't have to run it through a complicated or a sophisticated software which you have to run it on your PC. Your Insta 360 X3 also has a Insta 360 application which lets you easily edit your videos, either be it in 4K clarity or 5.3K clarity. It suits all good. And let me just mount this and show you how it looks once it is mounted. This is going to be sitting somewhere like this here. Sorry, the other way here. So from through your helmet visor, you can easily have a view onto this display here. It's very easy. It lets you know whether the recording is on or it is off, or what's happening around the lens. It keeps you but aware of your camera's recording. I mean, this doesn't stay on for a long. It stays for a while, say 2 to 3 minutes, and it then goes off. At times, it stays on only for 10 to 15 seconds and it goes off. And you have this tiny LED here. Yeah, this blinks. Once it keeps blinking red, it says that the recording is on. So I just peep into the mirror of my motorcycle, wherein it lets me know whether the recording is on or not. Okay, now let me mount it onto my helmet. Here it goes. I have mounted it, so I think you guys can see the setup here. It is pretty simple. The angle mount goes onto the chin mount here. Your camera stands vertically over here. This is very simple. You don't have to struggle a lot. So one benefit of this camera is the spectacular 360-degree view which it gives you. Either be it during the daytime or during the night time. It is very clear. The clarity, I would give it 5 on 5. The mic setup, as I already told you, doesn't require any additional mic adapters like the GoPro does. A simple Bluetooth earpods would do. It doesn't require an additional mic to. It also has a feature wherein you can use it by having a mic adapter plugged in, a converter plugged in. So the converter, it would cost you somewhere around $2,000, I say. Yeah, even that's really cool, but I prefer using a Bluetooth earpods because of the simplicity and the clarity which the earpods would do. And so this is all about my vlog setup. Anyways, if you guys want to buy uh, the mounts and the setup what I use, I've just given you the link in the description. You can just click onto the link and make your purchases out there. Thank you. See you soon.